Hi, my name is Paige, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, today we're talking about different ways to effectively clean your house. The kitchen is a big deal, and I like a clean kitchen, and sometimes my kitchen is a little bit hard to clean because I have white countertops. However, good news, it is not an impossibility. So, I have found the best way to clean my countertops is to use a Clorox cleanup bleach system, or you can just use straight bleach or 409. I find that bleach works the best though because it's concentrated and gets the spots out. What you want to do is spray your counter. You can let it sit. Take some warm water. And after it has sat for a while, just wipe it off. You want to make sure that you get all of your edges as well, like right here. Your cabinets. So you get that fully fresh, clean feeling. Another effective way of cleaning your kitchen, I'm going to let you in on a little secret, is to shine up your faucets. This can also go for your bathrooms as well. I find that the best thing to do is actually not use water and a solvent or a cleaner to clean your faucets, but to actually use a simple dry paper towel or cloth. What you want to do is simply rub your stainless steel. It'll get out any marks, and it'll look great, and it'll look a lot better than if you had just used water and soap or Comet. If your paper towel gets wet, just get another one and keep working on it. And there you go. A simple dry cloth will clean it and shine up your faucets better than anything else.